Hi everyone, I'm Hachi. This is the second vlog to the restoration of my AE86, and let's check out what Mr. Hachi has become. Jeng jeng, this is what Mr. Hachi has become. So after 2 weeks, we have taken out quite a lot of things. The front bumper is out, headlights, side fenders, the side mold, all the glass surrounding it, and for the interior, carpet is all out, seats, okay, all the plastic pillars, door cards, the dashboard, the aircon blower, and yeah, we can clearly see inside the condition, actual condition of the car. It's not that nice, okay, and actually I find one more big concern point, okay, just below the dashboard where you put your legs on the pedal. You can see a lot of rust point. You can see this area, you can see this bottom here is, oh my god, it's a big sign of rust. You can even see through the floor. See, yeah, I'm not sure how the water seeps in and create such a big rust, but yeah, we're gonna cut it out and replace it with new metal, mold it, and put it back to original, as original as possible. Yeah. Apart from that, of course, this quarter panel area has a bit of rust where the water seeps through and stays. More rust around this area. Oh my god! And this one I showed you previously. This trunk area, big rust. Oh, it's very ugly. You see, it's becoming like biscuits, and yeah, it's tearing apart. It's really terrible, and we're gonna get it fixed as soon as possible. One more rust area is this. Just below the fender, the front fender, there's a huge hole. I'm not sure how this happened, and I can actually put the whole finger in, and yep, we're gonna fix that out. Definitely. Okay. Oh yeah, actually, see this color? This is actually like a burgundy red with something like brownish color. This is actually the original color of the car, which is I think available on the export model. Yeah, export model, because this is actually an export model AE86, and Japan model doesn't have this color. Japan model has the high-tech two-tone white black, red black, and silver black. Yeah. Anyway, for this car, previous owner has already painted it to this white color, but he did. I think the previous owner didn't full restore everything. That's why he reveals the original color of the car. We will paint it everything to iconic black and white color. Yeah, it's pretty sad to see how the car looks like now. Stripped out. Mr. Hachi is all being stripped out. It's really empty now. But definitely a bit of patience. A few more months, we're gonna make this car into something better. Mr. Hachi gonna be revived into something better. Okay, and I look forward to that day where I can actually review this car to the world, saying I have saved Mr. Hachi from this. So for the next part of the car, we're gonna take down the axle, a long shaft, the front engine, the subframe, and on the wiring, steering rack will be taken off as well, leaving only the bare frame, main chassis of the car. That's it for the vlog this time. I'm going to continue back and do a bit of scraping work on the car. And if you have any questions, feel free to write down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like my Facebook page and Instagram. Yeah. Thank you. See you.